Welcome to Best Choice. The BOSCH Quooker Tap is probably one of the most innovative kitchen appliances you can buy. Offering instant boiling water, chilled sparkling water, and filtered cold water, all from a single tap, it's a game changer for any modern kitchen. Imagine the convenience of having boiling water at your fingertips, ready for tea, coffee, or cooking, without waiting. This video will dive deep into the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of the Quooker Tap, helping you decide if it's the right investment for your home. Number 5. BOSCH Tronic 3000T 2.5 gallon electric water heater. Tired of waiting for hot water? This mini tank water heater provides hot water right where you need it. It's perfect for under the sink, offering convenience and efficiency. With a 2.5 gallon capacity, this unit is compact yet delivers impressive performance. Its thermal efficiency is 98%, ensuring you get the most out of it. Dimensions are 13.75 W x 13.75 H x 10.75 D. This water heater is built with premium glass-lined material for a long service life. It's also easy to maintain, providing you with reliable hot water for years to come. It operates at 120 volts and 12 amps. Installation is a breeze. The unit plugs into a standard 120-volt outlet. You can install it independently or in line with your existing hot water source. Say goodbye to long waits. This water heater provides hot water on demand, supplying up to 2 sinks at once. Enjoy instant hot water whenever you need it. It can be shelf, wall, or floor mounted, offering flexibility in installation. The bracket is included, making it easy to install directly at your sink. It has a wattage of 1440 W. What we like? This mini tank water heater provides hot water instantly. It's easy to install, fitting right under your sink. If you have limited space and need hot water quickly, this is a great choice. It eliminates the wait, making it perfect for small apartments or offices. What people say? So far it's working great. I mounted it in the crawl space under the kitchen sink and put it in line with the hot water pipe that feeds the kitchen sink. No more wasting water during a long wait for the hot water to get there. I timed it and I'm now getting hot water in 6 seconds. More than a year using this product and I am convinced that it is the best I have ever had. He has not given me any problems and my food truck is still running at 100%, it really is wonderful. Now the hot is basically instant. Because of the unusual 6-foot distance, it takes 1 second to get hot water. If it were under the sink it would be quicker. Installation was quite easy. Even with this less desirable location, the hoses and extension cord passed easily behind the dishwasher. I did it myself, no plumber or electrician required. Number 4. Brio self-cleaning bottom-loading water cooler. Tired of heavy lifting? This cooler simplifies your life with its easy bottom-load design. It keeps the water bottle safely tucked away, saving you from back strains. Keep your water fresh with the self-cleaning feature. Just press a button and it takes care of the cleaning for you. This ensures the unit stays clean with minimal effort. Enjoy water at your preferred temperature. This dispenser offers cold, room temperature, and hot water options. It's perfect for any beverage, anytime. See clearly, even in the dark. The night light illuminates the dispensing area and the drip tray. It ensures you can always see what you're pouring. Safety is a priority. The hot water spout features a 2-step dispensing process. This provides peace of mind, ensuring the safety of you and your family. What we like? This water cooler simplifies your life with its bottom-loading design. It also features a self-cleaning function, maintaining cleanliness effortlessly. If you are looking for convenience and ease of use, this cooler is ideal. It eliminates heavy lifting and ensures clean, refreshing water with minimal effort. What people say? Hot water, room temperature, and cold water at a touch. I love the safety feature with the hot water button so a child can't accidentally push it. The Brio room temp button is just that, room temp water. I measured each spout and the cold is 43 degrees Fahrenheit, room temp is 71 degrees Fahrenheit, and hot is 178 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 3. EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. Tired of running out of hot water? This heater provides consistent hot water whenever you need it. It continuously monitors water temperature and flow rates, ensuring efficiency and consistent performance. The water temperature is always within 1 degree of your selected temperature. This ensures a comfortable and reliable hot water supply for your needs. It's designed for optimal performance. This tankless water heater is 90% smaller than traditional tank heaters. It can be installed on a wall or at the point of use, saving valuable space. Its compact size makes it a versatile choice. This heater is 99% thermal energy efficient, heating water only when needed. Unlike tank heaters, it doesn't maintain water temperature when not in use, saving you energy. This feature helps to lower your energy bills. The 13 kilowatt model is perfect for a bathroom, small sink, or office break room. It provides between 1.3 and 3.1 gallons per minute, depending on the inlet water temperature. Be sure to check the sizing guide to select the right one for you. What we like. This tankless water heater offers endless hot water on demand. It's also incredibly space-saving and energy efficient. If you like the idea of never running out of hot water and want to save space and energy, you should consider this. It's perfect for small homes or anyone looking to reduce their energy bills. What people say. It's surprisingly easy to install and works great. If I want hot, but not scalp scalding hot, I simply turn the hot tap to full and I'm set. The heater comes with a choice of a compression fitting for copper pipe, or a threaded fitting for use with whatever type of plumbing pipe you're using. Number 2. EcoSmart ECO27 Electric Tankless Water Heater. This is the EcoSmart ECO27, an electric tankless water heater. It's designed for efficiency and provides hot water on demand. It's a great choice for various climates. The ECO27 is configured for areas where the incoming water can get as cold as 37 degrees. This ensures it can still provide hot water when you need it most. It's built to handle those conditions. This unit can heat nearly 3 gallons of water per minute. That's plenty for most household needs. It ensures you have enough hot water for showers and other tasks. The digital temperature control allows you to set the temperature in 1 degree increments. This gives you precise control over your water temperature. You can easily find the perfect setting. The EcoSmart ECO27 operates on 240 volts and is single-phase. This is a common electrical configuration for many homes. It's designed for easy installation. The unit's dimensions are 17 by 17 by 3.5 inches. This compact design allows for flexible installation options. It can fit in various spaces. What we like. This tankless water heater is designed for colder climates and provides a high flow rate. It also features digital temperature control for precise settings. If you live in a colder region and need a reliable source of hot water, it's a great option. It ensures consistent performance even with low incoming water temperatures. What people say. It was pretty easy to set up. Also, it doesn't take more than about 10 seconds longer to get hot water than with my tank. I have another property where I still have a tank, and just as many things can go wrong with a tank as with a tankless. Number 1. Delta Trinsic Champagne Bronze Kitchen Faucet. Tired of messy hands? This faucet allows you to start and stop the water flow with just a touch. Whether it's your wrist or forearm, a simple touch is all it takes. Easily check your water temperature from a distance. The TempSense LED indicator changes color, letting you know at a glance if the water is hot or cold. Quality is a top priority. This kitchen sink faucet is tested and certified, meeting or exceeding industry standards. You can trust its reliability. Designed for easy installation, it fits either 1 or 3 hole setups. A gasket seal prevents drips and splashes. It's designed for convenience. Featuring diamond seal technology, this faucet reduces leak points and lasts twice as long as the industry standard. This ensures leak-free operation for the life of the faucet. The Brilliance finish is built for durability and tested for corrosion resistance. It's designed to withstand the test of time and maintain its beauty. All finishes are third-party certified and rigorously tested. You can count on years of dependable use without any cracking or peeling. It's built to last. What we like. This kitchen faucet features touch-activated technology for easy use. It also boasts a modern design and a durable, corrosion-resistant finish. If you like the convenience of touch activation and want a stylish, long-lasting faucet, you should consider this. It's perfect for busy kitchens where ease of use and style are important. What people say. It works perfectly as described. Touch on and off. There is a small light at the base that turns blue when the water is cold, purple when warm and red when hot, so you always know the temperature of the water even if you can't feel it right away. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.